it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. And today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little Mardi Gras mask. Now this mask was inspired a lot by Marie Dadow, and I've been doing it for so many years that I don't know what part was hers versus what part's mine. So we'll just give her credit and say that it's mostly hers. But it's one of those designs, you know, I've been making for more than 10 years and who knows which part is what anymore. So anyways, we're gonna start with a 160 that has about a 2-3 inch tail on it. And we're gonna measure off, about 9 inches, 8-9 inches or so. Okay? And you're gonna twist that off, and now we're gonna put a little pinch twist, just like that. So that kind of holds it, and also is going to send it the other way. And now we're going to make another tiny little bubble, just maybe a 1-inch bubble, and another pinch twist, just like so. Okay? And now we're going to make, it's going to be 2 bubbles that are basically like a good 4 or 5 finger spread. Now one of them, it's not going to stay, and that's okay. You just want to make sure that they're the same, and it's not going to stay, which is not a big deal. It's okay if it unravels. Just that way you'll see, like, once it unravels, like, you kind of have that indentation to know where it was. And on this other side here, we're going to put another pinch twist, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to take this, what's left, and we're going to squeeze the air into it so that it kind of goes to the end. We're going to twist a little bubble off here, and then we're going to bring it to that first pinch twist, the closest one right there, and just wrap it around. Okay, so right now it kind of looks like, I don't know, like a big giant smile or something. Okay, but what we're gonna do is and this is also a great carnival mask, Purim mask, whatever. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of collapse these and try to make these the same size, just like that. And in this case, it looks like my Mardi Gras glasses. Let's see, I didn't quite get that the same size. Let's see, maybe like that. In this case, it seems like they came out really big. They're almost like more like glasses than your typical, you know, Mardi Gras shape. You could make that shorter if you wanted to. You could make this piece longer, whatever. But today we're gonna make it like with this really wide shape. Okay, so now the next thing that we want to do is we want to add some feathers. So to make the feathers, we have half of a 160, I'm sorry. So I actually took the 160 and I cut it in half, and then I inflated it, gave it a good burp, and now I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to fold it in half, and then find my center, so I fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again, and then twist. So I have kind of like a ribbon shape. And then I'm just going to put that through. And if you want, you can put a little pinch twist there too. Sometimes that helps. Okay, and now I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it into the center of the glasses there, just like so. And actually, if I put a second little pinch twist, it'll flatten out those glasses, which normally come out a lot smaller. I don't know why they came out that way, but it's okay. We're going to roll with it. Okay, so you're kind of going to, I know you can't really see what I'm doing. It's hard for me to do backwards, though. But you're going to kind of arrange it into like that fleur-de-lis kind of feel, and then just kind of like, you know, squish them down like that, give it a little shape, just like so. Okay, and then we're gonna cut off these little ends, get rid of the bits here. That one there, that one there. All right, and now we want to add just a little more detail. So we want to add a little flourish. We're gonna just put some little bubbles or beads or whatever you want to call them. Okay, so we're gonna take our third 160, and this one is a full 160. I'm using gold. You can use any color. I have it inflated to probably about a third. And now this is the tricky part. We're gonna make tiny little bubbles. So to make this bubble, what you're gonna do is you have to hold on to the first and the last, otherwise it will unravel. So what we're gonna do, and you always have to twist the same number of times and in the same direction. So we're gonna twist 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see they're the same size, and you see that I'm holding on to that bubble, and the rest can come out of my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just keep doing that until you have a little string of bubbles coming out of your hand like that. Then you just say, oh, okay, I think that's probably enough. And then you're gonna twist that first bubble around the last bubble, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to attach it. You can either attach it here or there, whichever one you want. I don't know, should we do it here? Should we do it there? I think we're gonna do it there. Okay, and so the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna take the extra piece here and I'm just gonna wrap that around and around and around. And now I'm just going to twist off one more little bubble. See? And then get rid of the rest and tie it off. And now I'm going to trim my ends off, just like so. And now you have no idea who I am. I'm incognito, you see? Happy Mardi Gras! Happy Purim! Chag Sameach! Happy Carnival! Happy Masquerade Ball! Whatever you want to use it for. There we go. Super cute, super fun, super fast Mardi Gras mask. So, if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the like button. Give me some love. Let YouTube know that you like my stuff. And also, tell me what else do you want to learn. Drop me a comment and tell me what else you'd like to see on my channel. And don't forget to get my books too. Until next time, go forth and balloonify!